Hi guys, today we're going to be making Biscoff cupcakes. As usual, the original recipe will be linked below, and if you guys want to, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. In a large bowl, you want to add your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, and your salt, and then you're going to take a whisk and mix this until it's combined. In a medium-sized bowl, you want to combine all of your wet ingredients, and we're going to use a whisk to mix this together as well. Now we're going to take our dry mixture and make a well in the center. Then you're going to pour in all of your wet batter into this, and using a whisk, you're going to mix this together until it's just combined. Make sure to not over mix your batter. And now you want to line up your cupcake pan with your liners, and then we're going to add in our batter. I use a cookie scoop to help portion this out. I feel like that's the best and easiest method, or you can use a spoon. And once that's done, you want to put it in the oven at 350 for around 15 to 20 minutes. Once my cupcakes were cool, I went ahead and started making my icing. In a medium bowl, you want to add in your butter, and you're also going to add in your cookie batter to this and give this a nice mix. And we're also going to add a dash of salt. This kind of helps cut the sweetness a little bit. And now you can go ahead and add your vanilla extract, your powdered sugar, and your milk. And after I have all my ingredients and my icing, I like to mix it for around a minute or two. I notice it makes it really fluffy and kind of light and airy. And here I started with the decoration. I just used a piping bag and I just did like a circle. I just cut the tip. I didn't add a tip or anything like that. You can decorate these however you see fit. This is just how I did mine. And I add a cookie on top. I crushed a cookie, and then I also used some salted caramel, and I sprinkled that on top as well. I ended up putting it in the microwave for a few seconds because it made it easier to drizzle over. That was mainly just to make it look pretty. I feel like it needed something else on top of it. So yeah, you honestly couldn't really taste it. If you wanted to, you could also fill your cupcakes with either cookie butter or caramel if you want more of that taste in it. I think the flavors do complement each other. I just didn't want it to be too sweet, so I decided not to. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to check out the description if you guys want to make these yourself, and I'll see you guys shortly with a new video. Bye.